How to remove Google account from Android phone. To remove a Google account from Android phone, because Google account on Android can be quite annoying. The Google account is used on all the Google services like Gmail, Chrome, Google App, Play Store, or Google Calendar, whatever else it is, and you might just want to remove from Android, right? Now for this, just launch any Google Services app. It could be Play Store, Google browser itself, or the Chrome browser, any Google Services app, it doesn't matter. Because within any Google Services app, you'll find a Google profile photo from the top right. So tap on the profile photo from the top right hand side. You can see this drop down icon next to your current email. So tap on it, then you'll find manage account on this device. Not manage your Google account, but manage accounts on this device. When you go here, you'll find a list of Google account that you have. So depending on which Google account you want to remove from your Android, select that Google account, tap the remove account button, and that account will be successfully removed from your Android. You can repeat it for other Gmail or Google accounts you've added to your phone. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.